An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb by adding information related to manner, time, place, frequency, degree, or reason. It helps explain how an action is performed, when it occurs, where it happens, or how strongly something is described. By adding these details, adverbs make sentences more informative and precise. Without adverbs, actions and descriptions would remain unclear, leaving the reader without enough context to fully understand the situation being described. For example, in the sentence "she completed the assignment efficiently," the word efficiently explains how the task was done. In the sentence "they will leave soon," the word soon indicates time. In "he almost finished the race," the word almost modifies the verb by showing degree. Through adverbs, sentences become detailed, expressive, and easier to understand. Adverbs often answer questions such as how, when, where, how often, and to what extent. They help distinguish between similar actions by showing differences in speed, intensity, or timing. For example, speaking softly and speaking loudly describe the same action but convey very different meanings. Adverbs can also change the strength of adjectives, as seen in phrases like extremely useful or slightly difficult, where the adverb controls the level of intensity. Adverbs are used not only to describe verbs and adjectives, but they can also describe other adverbs in a sentence. This helps us explain actions more clearly in our daily conversations. For example, in the phrase "very early," the word "very" tells us how early something happens, such as, "I woke up very early today." Another common example is "quite slowly," where "quite" explains how slowly something is done, like, "the traffic moved quite slowly." Adverbs can appear in different parts of a sentence depending on what they describe, which makes them flexible and useful in everyday communication.